Hi folks, welcome to 23rd video of the series, that is creating instance member variable. Prerequisite of this class is you should know about how function works, and you should know about the oops concept in Python. It would be very helpful to understand the whole program. So let's go. First line I'm creating a class test, then I'm defining constructor here. Init is a Python constructor, so self dot a is equal to 5 in next line. Afterwards I will explain clearly. So next line we are defining f1 of self is equal to self dot b is equal to 10. We are defining here self dot a is equal to 5 and self dot b is equal to 10. Then we are creating objects t1 and t2 here. So t1 and t2 are the objects which will get these values. A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10 defaultly. It means if you create any object in the program, it will call these constructor and it is automatically assigned the value that A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10. Here T1 is equal to test and T2 is equal to test. Then we both will get the value A is equal to 5 for T1 and T2. Then T1 dot F1. So here what happening is T1 dot F1 means T1. What is T1? T1 is test of that we will get A is equal to 5 defaultly, right? Dot F1 also. Here we are getting for T1 plus F1. What is this? T1 is A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 10. For T1 we are getting 5 and 10 both values. Here you can see in output also. Then we are adding one more value to the T1, that is T1 dot C is equal to 15 here. So then we printing T1 and T2 as dictionary. We got the output already. So suppose I will give you one example, one situation. If you are a student, that is class. In class you are a student, you will get 5 books. Every teacher will give 5 books for everyone. Then if suppose take a situation where you are the only person who attended the maths class, then they will give one extra book, that is B is equal to 10. For every student they will give 5 books, but for you only, for the sake that you attended the maths class or any class, they will give one extra book, that is B is equal to 10. That only written here. So test 1 is the all student will get 5 books. Then T2, suppose these are, you can take the objects as the students. T1, this is you attended maths on extra class also, so that's why they are giving 10 and 5 to you. But for T2 is only attending normal class, That's why they are giving only one books. So you have two books, that is A is equal to 5, A 5 and B 10. But your friend is having only one, that is A is equal to 5, which we defined here. Then we are adding one more book to you for some other reason, that is C is equal to 15. So you got three books, A5, B10 and C15, and your friend got only one book, that is 5. So that's all for today. So thank you for watching.